Good morning, students. I'm Surajnagpal. I'm your English teacher, and I welcome you all in your new class, in your new day, in your new session. So, now we are going to start with our first topic of this class, that is notice writing. So, in this topic, notice writing, I hope you all are very familiar with this topic. So, today we are going to start it with the very basic. Like, I'll be explaining you the meaning, I'll explain you the format, and I'll explain you the purpose. Why do we write it? And why do we use it in our daily lives? And where do we use it? And what is the specified word limit for it? All those points we'll discuss. Fine. After the end of this video, I'll give you one worksheet also based on this topic where you need to practice one notice. So, meaning. What is the meaning of this notice? It is a kind of formal piece of writing to convey the information to a specific party. Means it is always meant for a specific group. Like notice can never be for all, for always. It is meant only for a specific group to convey a particular information. Like a formal piece. From here only it should be clear. If it is a formal piece of writing, then word limit should be specified. Because in all the formal writing, you have a specified word limit and you cannot use the words here and there. You need to be very strict to the point. There are certain important points we'll be discussing first. First is word limit. The word limit for the notice is 40 to 50 words. It's not exactly 40, it's not exactly 50, it's 40 to 50 words. Answers means a particular writing always gives a good impact. So here, if your notice is an idle notice, it should answer the following value points. First is what. What means what is the purpose? Why this notice is written? So the purpose of the notice shall be covering in the heading. This heading shall represent what is the purpose. Why we are writing it. Where. Where means where is it supposed to be? What is the place? So place will mention in the content, will mention in the body. Whom. For whom it is? For whom means for what the notice is written, for which party. Like if I am taking an example from your school side, like school is writing a notice for the students about badminton. Badminton match is there. So what? Here it will be badminton match. You will come to know that the notice is for badminton match. Where? It will be in the school playground. It will answer you. Fine. And it is the third point. When? Then it will be answering you the date and the time required. For whom? For whom means, is it meant for primary classes? Is it meant for middle class? Or is it meant for senior section? By whom means who is the conducting authority? Who is going to conduct it? Who is going to give the prize to the winners? So all these things will be included in the notice writing. It should not include anything which is not required. Unnecessary things should not be added. Hello, how are you? All these things we do not write in this. We always mention the important points, whatever is meant for writing. Like we are starting with name of the institution. This will come in the center, name of the institution. Then the word will be notice. You have to write one word in the center, in the next line. Better you leave a line after that. Then you write notice. And then here date. Fine. Do not write this word date when you will write a notice. Simply put a date, whatever the date you are writing on. When you will prepare the format, you need to write this word date. Fine. Then in the next third line, it is there the heading. Heading will be in capitals. All these things, whatever I am writing in the capital, will be in capital letters. So heading will be in the capital letters. It is to inform. Now this is the content. This is the body part. Actually we say it body part. Fine. This is your body. This is your content. I have just given you the idle heading. Means like beginning I have told you. You can start the notice like this, but there can be a new beginning like you. Whatever you wish to, but the notice shall start with a proper beginning. It is to inform. Now it is to inform